Hi guys, we're in the airport today. We're going to
Manila.
We're going to Manila, guys. See you.
Dahil pag po lamang natin sa panig parang pandigdig ng Ninoy Aquino, maligayang pagdating sa Maynila.
So we're getting ready and this is my makeup outfit. My top is from Zara, Shein, and I don't know which shoes to wear, but yeah. BFF, what you doing?
I'm trying to curl my hair.
So nice.
Please give it more life. Kasi parang nasi-stress na tong
Oh
buhok
yeah,
ko.
it's nice.
Kaka-travel. I've been traveling the whole day, guys. Nasi-stress na ako. Pangit-pangit ko na.
Nasaan ka na ngayon?
Nasa, I don't know where this is.
Quezon
sa
City.
sulok, sa sulok.
I'm going to 7-Eleven, so come with me. First time ko mag-tricycle. Init guys, pero bumili ako ng food, tsaka mga toiletries. Wait lang, naligo lang ako. This is my brunch fit. And I'm gonna be wearing my special. 11 pa man.
11.
Wait, I'ma check. Bye!
Nakarating ka na sa iyong destinasyon.
Hindi ko maano
What can you say? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That.
Thank you so much.
I love her. Hey guys, this is my fit for day 3. This one's from Uniqlo, H&M. And
my lashes. It's so long.
ang tagal ni ate girl. Si vlogger pala to eh. Let's go, girl. Let's go.
Cute tayo.
Ang pictures. Sarap.
No.
Hi guys, so nakakahiya. Kasama ko
Hindi talaga ganyan.
si Mars, tsaka si Fran.
So, dito na kami sa Wari. Order na kami.
Alam niyo guys, kagabi niya pa suot to.
Kaya mga guys, ayaw niya nakapagpalitin.
Favorite shirt niya yan eh. Yan, our food is here.
Dalawa.
Anong flavor po? Meron ako.
Anong flavor niyo po?
Avocado cheese.
Oh,
so yum.
I like the cheese. The chess po.
Yung
Chess.
chicken.
Yes, ang sarap. Yan lang. Hi there. Say hi. We're still
So,
here.
hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm so tipsy na.
I'm gonna do a haul of my best friend's gifts to me. It's a lot. Kasi ang tagal na namin hindi nakita din. I'm gonna start now with this because everything's my favorite and I'm so grateful that she's here with me. She's my friend and she's alive. And I wish her, kasi birthday niya pala. Kaya kami pumunta dito because it's my best friend's birthday. I'm just really thankful that she's my best friend. So first is this ring. And then you guys, she gave me Can you really our box? It's me and her. Fit check. Makeup check.
Okay ba sa inyo yung song?
Here's our food. For the drinks, I got rest. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Let's go. Paano kainit to?
Where's the butter?
No butter. Ah, here. Hi guys, we're going home. We're home. Bye. 30. Bye. Rose ba ya?